Welcome to Sapana cooking class training. We are teaching our guests how to make Nepali Momo in Sapana kitchen. Preparing the chicken filling. In a separate bowl, combine the minced chicken or vegetables, finely chopped onions, ginger and garlic paste, soy sauce, sesame oil, spices and cilantro. Mix well and adjust the seasoning as needed. Preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour and salt. Gradually add water and knead until the dough is smooth and elastic. Cover and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Making the dipping sauce. Making the dipping sauce. In a pan, combine tomatoes, chilies, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and spices. Cook until smooth to make the dipping sauce. Assembling the momo. Divide the dough into small balls. Roll each ball into a disc. Place a spoonful of filling in the center of each disc and fold the edges to seal, creating pleats. Repeat with the remaining dough and filling. Steaming the momo. Grease the steamer basket to prevent sticking. Place the momos inside the steamer and steam for 10 to 12 minutes, or until they are cooked through. Serve the steamed momos with the dipping sauce. Garnish with fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of chili powder. For a crispy texture, you can pan fry the momos after steaming. Join us. Thank you for watching.